Typically when I run into these things, these Fieros, usually, I mean, they're in really rough shape. They're the good stuff, I guess the good stuff is gone, and you know, or busted up, and so I don't really get my hopes up. But today, man, we ran across one that was essentially, yeah, pretty much all there. And this one actually got some goodies, man. Yeah, I don't know if this will be I don't think this will be cutting room floor, will it? Nah, we're gonna make this its own video. Well, even it would still be its own video anyways. Yeah. I don't think this would be an unsub special. Are people gonna unsubscribe because of this? I don't know. Size of these 205 6015s. Got the GT wheels. Too bad they're kind of expensive at this yard. Got the GT wing still there. I'd like to get that for my 89 Firebird. I saw some people put these on there and they don't look half bad. Don't look half bad. Sucks that because these right here, you can go for a pretty penny if they're in nice shape, but this one's cracked here and it's got the crack along there, you know. Keys there. See? I thought these things were glass, plexiglass, unless this was swapped out. I don't know much about these cars. The store doesn't want to close. I don't know what the deal is. Oh, I think, oh, it's catching on the, yeah, it's catching on the, oh, because of this here. When they stuck it on these rims here, it bent up the rocker molding, and it just, yeah, so it's stuck. Off the road, I guess, since about 03. So we're looking at what, 17, 18 years? I mean, other than the paint being, you know, kind of faded, this front bumper cover don't look too bad. You know? Of course, we had the hideaway headlights. The door opens. That dash is not cracked. I don't know if on these it's prone to cracking or not, but this seat is actually in nice shape. I mean, it's a little dirty, but you know, it's a nice shape. You know. That one, of course, the bolster there has got issues. I thought on these they had I don't remember where the RPO codes were on these, or where are the RPO codes? I thought they weren't there. Google Man's probably going, they're right over here. Oh man, are they on the side here? No, you can't see much here. I think I can't even see the build date on there. I think it says 10 of 86. Yeah, it says 10 of 86. Get that bin there in a second. Store panel's in good shape. Maybe they kept it covered or something. I don't know, for half the time. That steering wheel is not, well, is it cracked? No, it's just in decent shape. Still have the horn button there. Or the mileage reading. Can I see him? Performance sound. Of course, your manual. 5-speed. Oh, crap. Cover here. I got the issue here. I wonder if these are at least somewhat desirable. I don't know. I don't think there's anything in the. Okay, there it is. I don't know much about these cars, man. I did hear it pop though. Okay. Got a spare. That's a steel spare. Yeah. Pretty much all there. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. This can be your VIN. Right. think, right? That is the same VIN, right? 1194. Yeah, well, yeah, it's the same one. Gotta make sure, man. All right. Now, Fiero Owners Club of America. So, oh man, I went too far. 2.8 liter, 87. So when I was looking it over, I noticed these stickers here, right? So I'm like, when I see stickers, I start to look around to see, oh, is there anything, any goodies? But appears as though, like on the Excel, the K&N, the Jacobs, I'm not sure, the injectors and this crank. I don't know if they'd have something in there for the. If it would have had a cam in there, I wouldn't be messing with that. But injectors, I think, are gone. Yeah. Look, they had these. Yeah, I can see they were working on this car. You know, I can see injectors are gone. There's a distributor. There's a coil. Let's say an MSD. All right. That's what it looks like. I'd be wrong. But I saw this here. The Herb's Atom. I wasn't not familiar with that. Turns out, I mean, this guy right here, this deal here was like guy's well known for, suspension or whatnot for Pontiac, I guess. So I started to look underneath, and I saw a big fat sway bar, man. I said, this cannot be stock. No. So I'm gonna get that sway bar, and I think the one up front is also not stock. If it had suspension, if it had, better struts or springs and whatnot, I mean, that stuff's rough. I mean, where's the? Oh, it's way over here. I think this is also, that one is also from that Herb Adams. And then the other thing is, I was looking it over. Like I said, since I don't know much about these cars, I was looking at these headers. I said, these things come with, tubular headers? I thought it would have came with exhaust manifolds. Cast iron. It turns out these things are what's called sprint headers. I don't think they make them anymore. So, another goodie. I think this is probably the longest I've taken on a on a freaking Fiero. I think I've done one other video on a Fiero, and it wasn't very long. Oh, there they are. Bam, right there. There's the. Oh, I bet the Google man was gonna be like, "Oh, you were right there. You were right there." Hold on a second. There they are. I see anything special? I don't think I see anything special that I could tell from these. But let's take this back down. Set it back down like so. And, well, all right, man. There she is. 80. What is that? 87. What was that? Fiero GT. Soon to be crushed. All right, man. On to the next one.